Hey, everybody. I want to thank you for taking just a few minutes to watch this powerful testimonial video with my friend Amy from California. Amy is an Allstate agency owner. She bought her father's book about 3 years ago or so. He's been with Allstate since the 70s, right? Goes way back that their family has been with Allstate. But she is still actively involved growing her book, working with her team, and she's a great member of Craig Wiggins Coaching. Now, Amy, you sent me a message earlier this
Mhm.
week
I
with a
did.
powerful success story. And I would love for you to take just a few minutes to share what happened. And you know what? I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you. I'm actually going to pull up the email. I hope that you're cool with this. But I
Yes.
want everybody to see this real message that my friend Amy sent to me. So, kind of walk me through what happened. You're doing a policy review that made your jaw drop. What do you
Yeah.
mean?
Well, this gal emailed me from our agency website just saying, "Hey, I got a pool. I should probably, talk to you about my policy and do we need to change things and so on and so forth." So I said, "Yeah, absolutely." So um in the process of defining what other structures is to her, she said, "Oh, you know what? Um, I should probably talk to you about the things that we store our toys in." And I was like, okay. She's like, because they're not attached to the house. It's probably another structure, right? I said, okay, well, describe what things are. And Joseph was in my ear and he was like, ask about the toys, ask about the toys.
Yes.
So I said, and what toys? And she said, we have two shipping containers that store our toys, our weekend toys. We've got a boat, we've got a motorhome, we've got, this, we've got that. And in my mind, I was like, oh my gosh, stay calm, stay calm. So I said, yeah, we absolutely want to talk about those two shipping containers. I just had never, my jaw did drop because I had never even thought that, they're out in the desert, they've got a lot of land, but shipping containers, of course, why wouldn't you have your stuff stored in a shipping container? I mean,
And think about
so,
that. It was from you asking more questions,
yep,
right?
probing.
What we can't
Absolutely.
what we can't be, Amy, and you know this, is we can't just be order takers. See,
Mm-mm.
so many agencies out there are really struggling trying to write enough new business to meet their goals. Look at this gold mine. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
motorhome,
Yep.
a boat, 6 motorcycles, dune buggy, golf carts,
Sorry, my
wedding
typos.
ring, right? All of these things. Can you insure those? So can you insure that too?
We sure
Right?
can.
And you know what's eye-opening though? Look at this. Been a customer since 2003 with only a home with us.
Mm-hmm.
So, people on this call, people watching this video, those of you that are trying to generate more new business, let's get more new business from our current customers by
Mm-hmm.
bundling their household with their cars, with their toys. What are the keys do they have on their key ring, right? So you said you
Exactly.
heard Joseph in your ear and
Mm-hmm.
you're asking more questions and you uncovered a huge deal, right? You might not be
Absolutely.
able to help them with all of that stuff, but maybe we have a better shot now that we know that they actually have it because we asked
Absolutely.
good questions.
Yeah, and even in her email signature, it indicated that she was a business owner, and she
Mhm.
had asked a question as we kind of got further into her review about her work laptop that she owned. And so I said, well, your business owner policy should, but let's look into that too. So once we've kind of wrapped everything up with her, well, I should add that now I'm quoting her auto, an umbrella for her. We're going to review all of the insurance and quote all of the insurance for her toys. And then we're going to get into a business owner policy
Well, this is
as
a
well.
big deal.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
from a monoline homeowner policy review,
Yep. I could
right?
have easily just been, oh, cool, your pool X, Y, and Z. Does that look good? Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
But because I had never spoken to her before, and I, obviously want to try to probe and see where else we can help her. It turned into this like huge thing. I'm so thankful.
That's wonderful. Now, just a quick plug, if you don't mind.
Hmm.
Has Craig Wiggins coaching, our program, helped you, helped your team, helped you
Absolutely.
with, because you sent me that testimonial. I'm probably not knowing that I want to share it with the world, but I thought it was so powerful. Would you mind just sharing the impact briefly that CWC has had on yourself and your team?
Absolutely. We've been doing CWC for about a year now, and our business has been growing as a result. We're all individually growing as well, and taking bits and pieces from the training videos and all of the role playing meetings and applying it to, what we need to work on personally. And I personally need to work on being less transactional and cross selling, obviously. And so I took that and I applied it. And if it wasn't for Craig Wiggins coaching, I wouldn't have had you in my ear saying, ask about the toys, ask about the toys, it just, it's just repetitive. It's like muscle memory. Like the more you kind of like just put yourself out there and ask those questions, the more it's going to work out for you. And I learned that from you guys. So I'm really thankful.
Well, I'm thankful to have you, your team as a part of our agency. You have big goals, right? Big dreams. Your father created a wonderful business that is now yours for the past few years. And by the way, he's still involved in the agency, y'all. He still comes in and helps Amy doing
Yeah.
things. How cool is that?
I
Now
wish he
he
was here
passed
now.
the torch to you. Right,
Yeah.
he's passed the torch to you, and you have a very bright future to continue his legacy, but honestly, to make yours. It's time to make
Thank you.
your legacy, and you're going to
Yeah.
do it the right way. And I just want to thank you for taking time to share this. For those of you that are out there watching this, know that you and your team are capable of so much more. Right? If you sell the right way, if we simply seek to meet the needs of our customers, you'll never have to worry about a sales goal. And look at what Amy did. She uncovered like a dozen items from a policy review from a monoline homeowner. I
Hmm.
promise you all, you can get more. You can get more from your current customers. You can get more from your win backs, your requotes, your cross sales. We also teach in our platform, not just that, but how to work all other types of leads, from internet leads, live transfers, direct mail, how to sell on coverage and value, not just price. You should check out CWC On Demand. And because you took a few minutes to watch this video with Amy, I would love to give you my promo code, Joseph Puckett, lowercase Joseph Puckett, all one word. I'll put it in the text here for the video. And you can try us out for 30 bucks. Try out CWC, join Amy. She's a member, I think, for life. I'm hoping for life. Join
Absolutely.
Amy and the other 1,500 agencies in our program today. Thank you so much, Amy. I appreciate you. Now, we
Thank
got to
you,
get back to
Joseph.
work, don't we?
Absolutely. Let's get to
Yes,
it.
ma'am. All right.